If you've mastered the basics of Python and are wondering what to learn next, congratulations! You've already taken a huge step into the world of programming. Python is a fantastic starting point, but the next steps you take will depend on your goals, interests, and the career path you want to pursue. In this script, we'll explore some of the best options for what to learn after Python, from expanding your Python skills to branching out into other programming languages and technologies. Before moving on to something completely new, consider diving deeper into Python itself. Python is a vast language with applications in many fields, and there's always more to learn. Here are a few ways to build on your existing Python skills. Advanced Python concepts. Explore topics like decorators, generators, and context managers. These advanced features can make your code more efficient and professional. Object-oriented programming, OOP. If you've only scratched the surface of OOP in Python, take the time to fully understand classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. OOP is a key concept in many programming languages and will serve you well in your career. Popular libraries and frameworks. Depending on your interests, learn libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data analysis, Flask or Django for web development, or TensorFlow for machine learning. Specialized fields to explore. Python is used across many industries, so you can use it as a springboard into specialized fields. Here are some options to consider. Number 1. Data science and machine learning. If you're intrigued by data and artificial intelligence, Python is the perfect gateway into data science and machine learning. Learn to work with tools like Pandas and NumPy for data manipulation, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch for building machine learning models. Data science and AI are rapidly growing fields with high demand for skilled professionals. If you enjoy analyzing data, finding patterns, or making predictions, this path is a great choice. Number 2. Web development. Python is a popular language for web development, thanks to frameworks like Django and Flask. If building websites or web applications interests you, dive deeper into web development concepts. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front-end development. Explore Django for full-stack development or Flask for lightweight back-end projects. Understand how to work with databases using SQL or Python's ORM tools like SQL Alchemy. Web development offers quick and tangible results, making it a rewarding next step for Python learners. Number 3. Automation and scripting. Python is an excellent tool for automating repetitive tasks. If you enjoy solving small problems with code, explore libraries like Selenium for browser automation, Beautiful Soup for web scraping, PyAutoGUI for GUI automation. Automation is a skill that can be applied in almost any job and can save you and others hours of manual work. Number 4. Cybersecurity. Python is widely used in cybersecurity for tasks like penetration testing and automating security processes. Tools like Scapy, Requests, and Paramiko are great for building your cybersecurity toolkit. If you're interested in protecting systems and detecting vulnerabilities, this could be an exciting next step. Once you're comfortable with Python, learning a second language can expand your programming skills and open up new career opportunities. Here are some popular options. JavaScript. If you're interested in web development, JavaScript is the natural next step. While Python handles the back end, JavaScript powers the front end, the part of the website users interact with. Learn frameworks like React for front-end development or Node.js for server-side JavaScript. Java. Java is a versatile language that's used in enterprise software, Android app development, and large-scale systems. If you want to work in industries like banking, insurance, or telecom, Java is a valuable skill. C++. These languages are commonly used in game development, system programming, and applications requiring high performance. If you're interested in building games or working on resource-intensive projects, C++ or C# is worth considering. Golang. Go is gaining popularity for its efficiency and simplicity in building scalable web applications and back-end systems. It's a great choice for those interested in DevOps or cloud computing. SQL. SQL isn't a programming language in the traditional sense, but it's an essential tool for working with databases. Almost every field that uses Python, data science, web development, cybersecurity, relies on SQL to manage and query data. Learn software development concepts. No matter which field you choose, understanding broader software development concepts will help you grow as a programmer. Consider studying version control. Learn Git and GitHub to manage your code and collaborate with others. Testing. Explore how to write tests for your code using tools like PyTest or unit test. Algorithms and data structures. Understanding algorithms and data structures is key to solving complex problems efficiently. DevOps tools. Learn tools like Docker and Kubernetes to understand deployment and infrastructure management. Build projects and a portfolio. One of the best ways to solidify your knowledge and stand out to employers is by building projects. Use your Python skills to create real-world applications and add them to your portfolio. Here are a few ideas. Build a personal website or blog using Flask or Django. Create a chatbot using Python and natural language processing. Develop a simple data dashboard for visualizing trends. Automate a task you perform regularly, like organizing files or sending emails. A strong portfolio demonstrates your abilities to potential employers and shows that you can apply what you've learned to practical problems. Expand your knowledge through online communities. The programming community is an incredible resource for learning and growth. Here are a few ways to stay connected and motivated. Join forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit's Learn Programming, or Python Discord servers. Contribute to open source projects on GitHub. Attend programming meetups, webinars, or hackathons to network with other developers. Interacting with others who share your interests can inspire you, provide guidance, and even lead to job opportunities. Keep learning, keep growing. The journey of a programmer is never truly over. Technology evolves quickly, and staying adaptable is one of the most valuable traits you can have. Whether you choose to specialize in data science, explore web development, or dive into cybersecurity, the key is to keep learning and experimenting. Learning Python is just the beginning, and what you choose to do next will shape your unique path as a developer. The world of programming is full of opportunities, so pick a direction that excites you and start exploring. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and embrace the challenges along the way. With dedication and curiosity, there's no limit to what you can achieve.